Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. 64 out of the 92 elected members of the Zila Panchayat Uttar Pradesh had on 1st October 2018 moved a motion of no confidence against the Panchayat Adhyaksha Miss Rekha Singh. The first respondent before us. Stop. The district judge Allahabad had thereupon nominated the additional district judge Allahabad to act as the presiding officer in the meeting of the Zila Panchayat summoned to consider the motion. Stop. In the meeting of the Zila Panchayat held on 25th October 2018, 48 out of 51 members present had voted in favor of the motion, 2 members had voted against the motion, and 1 vote was rejected as invalid. Stop. On the same day itself, the presiding officer had declared that the motion was passed by majority of more than half of the total elected members of the Zila Panchayat Para. On challenge by the first respondent, the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad void the impugned judgment dated 13 March 2019 has set aside the minutes of the Zila Panchayat meeting dated 25th October 2018, approving the motion on the ground that some of the members had violated the rule of secrecy of ballot. Stop. Reliance was placed on the CCTV footage that was played in the court to observe that some of the members had displayed the ballot papers or by their conduct revealed the manner in which they had voted. Stop. Section 28 of the Uttar Pradesh Kshetra Panchayat and Zila Panchayat Adhiniyam 1961 states that a motion of no confidence shall be put to vote in the prescribed manner by secret ballot. Stop. Rule 4 of the Uttar Pradesh Zila Panchayats voting on motions of non-confidence rules 1966 casts a duty and obligation on the presiding officer to cause such arrangements to be made as would ensure secrecy of the ballot. Stop. Our attention was also drawn to sub-rule 2 of Rule 7 of the 1966 rules, which requires the members to put a specified mark on the ballot paper to indicate their choice without disclosing their names, and prescribes any signature or any other mark by which the secrecy of the ballot may be infringed. Stop. Further, we may also note sub-rule 3 of Rule 7 of the 1966 rules, which requires members to fold their ballot paper to conceal the mark made by them and to put the same in the ballot box. Stop. Para. The High Court held in the impugned judgment that there was a violation of Rules 4 and 7 of 1966 rules, and further held that disclosure of vote during the non-confidence motion was in violation of the statutory scheme governing the same in the state and would affect the purity of elections. Stop. The High Court therefore set aside the minutes of the non-confidence motion passed on 25th October 2018. Stop. Challenging the above finding, the petitioner before us have submitted that the impugned judgment is not in line with the holdings of this court regarding secrecy of voting, particularly the Constitution Bench decision of this court. Stop. The petitioners claimed that the principle of secrecy of ballot is based on public policy aimed at ensuring that the voter cast their vote without fear or favor and without any apprehension of disclosure. Stop.